Beyonce's hair care line is here. It's called Cecred, if you haven't heard. I snagged my hands on 2 products that I thought would be really helpful for my natural hair. So I ended up getting their deep conditioner and their leave-in conditioner, which I thought was leave-in conditioner, but it's actually a styler. On these 2 products alone, I ended up spending about $76. And I want to figure out if it works. Is it worth the price, and will it moisturize my type 4 hair? So today, we're gonna try it out. We're gonna see how this goes. And hopefully, it goes well. It's a mask. It's a mask, not a deep conditioner. Remember that step 2 Affinity protein treatment? This feels similar to that. It applied super easy. Clearly, I'm having fun, and added definition to the curls. It's designed to reduce damage, increase visible strength, and improve shine. So I followed the instructions and sat under the dryer for 20 minutes. And contrary to like typical protein treatments, my hair didn't feel dry afterwards. And I had little to no shedding. So after that, I blew out my hair to apply the moisture sealing lotion. And it says on the instructions it works well on damp or dry hair. So I chose the dry hair path, and I'll say right now, I regretted it. I really regretted it. Okay, I've slept in my twist. My hair smells amazing. So we're gonna take this out and see what it looks like. I did it dry because I wanted to see if the styler would give my hair some hold. Like twisting creams, they'll give your hair a hold so that the style lasts longer, but this is not that. Normally, I don't even like styling my twist outs on blown out hair, but I wanted to see, and I found out, so. On the positive side, my hair smelled amazing. It smelled so good the entire week. And overall, the mask eliminated my shedding. My hair shed so much, and nothing came out after I took the mask out. However, I'm still excited to keep exploring how these products work best. As of now, I'm unsure if it's worth buying again. But yeah, I don't like how this came out. And I can't believe I'm uploading this on the internet. Anyways.